Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in to your Fiverr account. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. In order to log into your Fiverr account, you'll need to install your Fiverr app first. After you install your Fiverr app, you'll need to open Fiverr app. After you open the app, you will see this kind of page. Here, you'll need to tap in the sign in option. Now, you'll be asked to enter your email and password that you have first created your Fiverr account with. Tap on the first box in order to type your email. Once you are done with your email, tap in the other box to type in your password. Once you have correctly typed in your email address and password, you can press on the continue option. After a few seconds, you are successfully logged into your Fiverr account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Fiverr account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share and subscribe.